To use the Product Hunter tool in EcomSniper, it's important to select the correct domain. If you're selling in the USA, go to eBay.com and Amazon.com and set your EcomSniper domain to USA. If you're selling in Canada, use eBay.ca and Amazon.ca and select the domain as CA. For the UK, use eBay.co.uk and Amazon.co.uk and choose the domain UK. And for Germany, go to eBay.de and Amazon.de, then select the DE domain. Make sure the domain matches both your selling platform, eBay, and your source, Amazon. Now go to EcomSniper and select your domain. I'm selling in the USA, so I'll choose USA. Click on Get Vero Brands and wait for the fetching process to complete. Once it's done, enable Vero protection. Next, go to Amazon.com or your local Amazon site based on where you're sourcing. Click on the Deliver To option and enter a zip code for the country you're dropshipping in. Since I'm selling in the USA, I'll enter a US zip code. Make sure you're logged out of your Amazon account to avoid personalized results that can affect accurate product matching. Now visit Amazon Bestsellers and pick a product that interests you. Click on the product and wait for the full page to load. Then click the eBay automation button to search for the product on eBay. On the eBay search results page, click on Update your shipping location and set it to the country you're selling in. Next, click the Seller Automation button to open the seller's sold listings page. Before extracting, click Clear Title to remove any old data. You can extract from one seller or multiple sellers. Click Extract All Titles and wait for the process to finish. Once done, click Filter Titles. You can filter by keywords to narrow down the products you're most interested in. Click View Titles, then copy all the titles to your clipboard. Now open EcomSniper and click Open Product Hunter. Paste the copied titles into the search box. Set items per search to 2. This tells the tool to pull up to 2 matching products from Amazon for each title. Set the price filter, minimum, 0, maximum, 250. Click Search Title. EcomSniper will now search for matching products on Amazon. Once the search is complete, click Export. Then copy all the extracted product links. Now go back to EcomSniper and open the bulk lister. Paste the copied titles from Product Hunter into the input box. Set the thread count to 5. Set the maximum price to 250. Finally, click Opti List and let EcomSniper automatically list all the items to your eBay account.